Meet the ABIR X8 robot vacuum cleaner, a smart cleaning companion built with power, precision, and intelligent navigation to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. At the heart of the X8 is its advanced laser navigation system. Using dual lasers and SLAM technology, this robot maps your home with incredible accuracy, creating efficient cleaning paths that cover every corner. Whether you live in a small apartment or a multi-story house, the X8 can store multiple floor maps, so it adapts to your space seamlessly. But the ABIR X8 is more than just a vacuum. It's a true two-in-one cleaner. With its unique Y-shaped mopping technology, it mimics manual scrubbing to lift stains more effectively, while a HEPA filter ensures the air in your home stays fresh and clean. When it comes to power, the X8 doesn't hold back. Delivering up to 6,500 pascals of suction strength, it easily pulls up dust, dirt, and debris from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. Pet hair, crumbs, and fine particles don't stand a chance. Smart features make it even more convenient. You can schedule cleanings, control it remotely, and even pair it with Alexa or Google Home for hands-free operation. Simply use voice commands and the X8 gets to work. Flexibility is also built in. You can set restricted areas and custom cleaning zones, making sure it only cleans where you want it to. With a 600 milliliter dust box and a 360 milliliter water tank, the robot balances long cleaning sessions with easy maintenance. The design is user-friendly and intuitive, making it simple for anyone in the household to operate. Combined with smart navigation, zone cleaning, and voice assistant integration, the ABIR X8 makes modern cleaning stress-free and efficient. In short, the ABIR X8 robot vacuum cleaner delivers precision mapping, powerful suction, advanced mopping, and smart features, all in a package that's designed to fit effortlessly into your lifestyle. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that combines strength, intelligence, and convenience, the ABIR X8 is ready to take your cleaning game to the next level.